Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to change injections on Hyundai Tucson 2.0 CRDi. Oh, it's a diesel injection from years 2006 to 2010 and everything. Okay, first remove the connector. Just click like this and remove it here. You have key 14 and key 17. Remove all the pipelines. Okay, remove this clip. Watch so you don't lose it. Okay, then you remove all the feedbacks straight up. Watch so you don't destroy the O-ring. Remove on every single injection. Then use the pliers. I'm working with my left hand, so it's a little harder. Turn it clockwise, pull it up. Here's a plastic plug. Okay, and then you have Torx 40, and inside you can see the screw. You just you use Torx 40, unscrew it all the way. You will be able to remove the screw a little bit up. Don't remove it all the way out, because there is a bearing in here. When you remove the screw up, you just push it to the side. You see this hole? Remove the screw a little bit out and remove it, everything with the bearing of the injection to this side, and that's it. Then you will be able to remove the injection out, and watch that you don't lose the copper ring on the bottom, because then you will have to remove the cover, the valve cover, to get it, because the camshaft and everything is under here. And that's that. So the trick is to take the screw a little bit out and remove everything with the bearing to the side, and that's it. Thank you.